In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the error encountered in Windows Update. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on the option that is System. Then we need to scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Then, after doing so, do not forget to restart your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. The next thing that we can do is to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Then click on Windows Update on the left pane. Click on Advanced Options and simply enable all of these buttons from here. Okay? So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method is we need to go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on it under the best match. Then we need to simply scroll down and look for the Windows Update service. Here it is, double click. You can change this to automatic or click on the start button to make sure this is running, apply and then okay. Then click on the restart button on the left pane. Okay, so once that is done, just simply close the window. And the last thing that we can do is to run some commands. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. And here we have this command. So copy each command one by one. Control C to copy and then Control V to paste. Hit Enter. And then do this for the next command. So just simply run these commands one by one. And after doing so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.